Hello everybody and welcome. I'm just going to show you a short film of me unboxing a Makita angle grinder and a quick look at the product itself. Okay, so this is a Makita cordless angle grinder. It's a brushless motor, and this is the designation or code. I hope you can see that. It's a DGA463Z, 115 millimeter or 4. I think that's 4.5 inches. 4-half. That's 4.5 inches. This is a bare version, and what that means, if you ever see that on a description, it means without the battery. And but before I carry on, I need to mention the fact I'm not being sponsored by them. Just in case you're wondering, it just happens. There is a sort of rationale behind why I got a Makita version of this, but anyway, I'll go back into that in a minute. And also, I have already opened it, and I shall give you the reason why shortly. Anyway, let's have a look and see what's in the box. So what do we have in here? A disc, which is a what have we got? Does it say what it's for? Some sort of, well, I'm not quite sure what this is used for, but it's just a general grinding disc. I'll find out what that is later, but you know, it's just obviously got the instruction manual. Of course, the poster of all the range of tools that they provide. Right, so in the box we have the angle grinder. So obviously it's, as I said, it's a bare the bare version. We have the on-off switch, and then we have oops, trying to do this one-handed is quite a challenge. Then we have the speed speed dial there, high or low, and then I don't know if you can see there, that's the battery level indicator. What does this say? Right, now this gives you an indication of depending on what, so that's set on, right, let's start again. So if that is set on number 3, for instance, that speed level, that gives you an indication of the RPM, I would imagine, and 3 relates to 6,000. So obviously, you know, depending on what RPM you require for the job, you set it to the relevant speed there. On the side we have air intakes to keep it cool, I would imagine, on the back of the motor. And as I say, it's a brushless motor. So we have that. I don't think there's much more else to say about that. Handle, guard, and what is this? Yes, so obviously this is the tool that you use for when you put the disc on. That tool fits on there to lock. Yeah, that tool fits on there to lock it up. And it also has a button here, which I would imagine is the locking device to stop this spinning, so you can either undo or do up the clamps. accordingly. Now then, right, so now I bought this excuse me, I bought this because because I wanted to see if I had a battery that I already had would fit it. Now I've also got in my possession a makita. Basically, it's a cordless combo kit. It's a cordless drill and an whatever they call it, driver. So bear with me. It's obviously you know, got one of those, and I've also got one of those, and it comes with a charger. Now I didn't come with a set of tools. I had to buy these separately, but you, as I said, you can buy these. I'm sure you can buy these on Amazon, so it's worth checking Amazon for the cheap, to see if they're cheaper. More about that in a minute. So just a set of drivers. Okay, so what I also didn't tell you was that it's 18 volts. Yeah, 18 volts. Now then, so as I said, I already had impact driver and cordless drill there. So I thought, right, I wonder if the batteries from those will fit this, and yes, it does. So I don't know if you can see. This is a 4 amp hour 18 volt lithium ion, and yeah, it fits on there lovely. So there we are. And I don't know if you can see. Let's bring it up a bit. That's the battery level, so it needs recharging, obviously. So I'll just take that out now. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into that particular model. If there's something that I've left out, then obviously leave a message on the film, and hope that gives you some idea if you want to buy one yourself. Bye for now.